Hi everyone. If you're there, please come online. Governor Zoku is here. The Shanamites. I am here. Hey. Tonight, I place it as a challenge on those umwe cooking. Umu Dibia or whatsoever they call them. Tell them that Governor Zoku is here now. You know, the reason why I didn't talk over these issues is because I was advised to ignore them. Hence, I know that they are talking out of point. But this night, I wish to respond to them. I wish to respond to Umudibia. Alright, be patient with me. I want to play gamble for the very first time. I want to gamble for the very first time. Okay, of my life. Now, here we go. Let me share this video. I want to respond to Ndi Igbo and the Okoko. You know, when you see me on camera, you may conclude that Governor Zoku is a hungry man. I agree. But have you checked if I am not better than many of them? Have you considered if Governor Zoku is not by far? I didn't mean close. I'm speaking to you from the city of Lagos. And I am here for my legitimate personal business. Personal, which I can show you evidence. As of today. Emeka, please come. I want to do what I have not done before. Get me that paper. Okay, custom. I'm speaking to you from the city of Lagos. Open the first page where my name appears. If I don't worry. This is a custom paper for a 40-feet container. This is a custom paper for a 40-feet container, satisfied one. I'm not supposed to be posting these things. But let me show you dates because I don't need it to see far. This is the original of it. I don't know if you can see the signet, the date here. Can you see the dates? Okay. 40-feet container. With all due respect, this is not bragging. This is just to shut them up. Those monkeys. This is to shut them up. This is custom satisfied paper. Original. For 40 feet container. Duly loaded. In the name of this Governor Zoku you see. You can't to be nobody. And let me tell you. I built a house before the internet came out. Before the internet came out. I've been here. I have been whom I am. Go and ask those who knows me too well. Adema, as a noise, I dey me make or they me make. I don't see myself making noise, and I can flog my chest and tell you that to everything God has given to me, I got them genuinely. Then another point I wish to make here is Evangelist Bukobi has never paid me 1,000. This is a video I'm saying it. Neither has anyone around the Evangelist Bukobi paid me money before to defend the Bukobi or even giving me anything ever whatsoever. Anybody around the Evangelist Bukobi who knows he has ever given me 50, 20, 30, 100,000 naira and above to defend the Evangelist Bukobi. If you bring proof, I'll give you 1 million naira. For the very first time I am saying this on camera. Ask those who knows me. Noise Dibia or Dibia they close, or maybe you think the internet is a space for everyone to come and rant and talk what they don't know. After this video, I will use one person to set example. I am not joking over. And when I tell you, I was the first person who made you understand that it is possible to arrest a native doctor. I introduced that. And I'm not hiding it. I made it in the open. What happened? Somebody summoned another person there, and 3 million something was paid there. The native doctor took the money. Another one, 2,640,000 something. I came up and I recovered the money. I was not afraid of any idiot because I know I was doing the right thing. And I did. Forget their noise on the internet. Oga, if we do plus and minus, agru jitayo tibia. But you don't know. You need to make a noise. You need to make choku. But I need to unleash the truth to you. Now, if you have any proof that Evangelist Ebukobi has ever paid me for once, or anybody around him paid me for once, for me to defend Evangelist Ebukobi, I will give you 1 million naira immediately. And even tonight, I am ready to transfer this money to Matthias Ezako, J Park, Anye Dons, or Ijele in Abuja, or any popular DBA you can provide. I am ready to provide the money, to transfer the money right now, tonight. I am ready to, if it's Anye Dons, I will even transfer it as far as I'm online right now. I am ready to transfer this money, save this video, record it. If you have any proof that Evangelist Ebukobi or those around Ebukobi has ever paid me kobo before in any way, Akozion is my friend. Akozion is a billionaire. I can lift up my hands now and tell Akozion I need $1 million. Akozion will give to me right away. I know they hide them, but I know if you do, I know if you do, I know if you worry, I know if you try am. I was with Akozion on Saturday. Ask him. Akozion said, take chicken, take fish, take anything. I have my crew. I said, no, don't worry, brother. I sat with him peacefully and I left. Are you listening to me? This is a video, I'm saying it. Akozion was ready to buy even champagne. Even 21 years. That is sold for 100 and something thousand naira. I didn't take pin. Oh, greetings. If you want to answer your greetings. Are you listening to me? That's number one. Then if anybody has proof that Governor Soku was an ex-convict, I'll give the person 1 million naira. I am ready to transfer 2 million naira tonight. I said now, right away now, to either Anye Dons, Matanatros from here. I can also transfer it to JPAC, but let it not be that JPAC, because JPAC is my friend and brother. Let it not look as if I'm giving it to JPAC, but I'm ready to give it to either Matthias Ezako. Either Matthias Ezako, Matthias, that you see as my enemy. I am ready to deposit 2 million naira tonight, even before 10 o'clock this night. I am ready to deposit it to Matthias Ezako's account. I am ready to deposit it to Anye Don's account. If you ever have proof that Governor Soku was an ex-convict, you are going home with 1 million naira immediately. You know why I have to do this? I was supposed to keep quiet. I was supposed to keep quiet, but when I look at them, many of them, I needed to say something because I make it in the open that I have a political ambition and I'm not hiding it. Are you listening to me? I know for that those akoke ma akowa mmadụ asị ka akọgbuo ya n'internet. Mana ogodomonye tia. Each time I appear on the internet, please take your hatred away. Intelligently watch and observe if you will not pick something from me, because I don't just come and talk. So all those DBs you see, all of them are ndabondara, they are mad. I am saying it in confidence. You are mad. Akonu inweho. Personal business before you became that your DBA. Inwero. This young man you see here, there's a contract I did in Owerri very recently. There's a contract I'm doing in Owerri. Instead of that, I will make sure I video that place within this week. It's a gas plant installation. Over 60 million naira was given to me by one Chibeze. I will video it and show to you. Did I make noise over it? I look at the moral material higher above the money, above the game, because same in Nigeria, I know. I had to put in my personal money. The guy is watching me right away. Because our agreement, and I have to deliver. In Delta State in Ibuzo, I have done a contract of over 70 million naira. This is a live video I am telling you. Honorable Ambassador from former Speaker Akwa Ibom State House of Assembly. His gas plant, I installed it. I told me why I go there. This person for here, I did. I can confidently tell you that before any of your dibia could mold one bag of cement, I have molded 100 before. This is a video I'm saying it verifiable. Ase na obo na mmadu gosi onye obo. Ndaro port egosi ngi. Ndaro village egosi ngi. But man, if mad on the internet, hana akoko, ana akofusi as if they have arrived. Somebody, maybe you have a little house in your village and you are making noise. As of today, Chineke, if I lie, may I not see tomorrow. If I lie, God, if you don't take away my life tonight, then you cannot be my God. Then you are not God. As of today, I received a total of 9 million naira. Somebody. This is a video I'm telling you. I can show you proof if I want. 9 million naira. I got to record somebody. Or say na kunyi amwa first. Because I was the mediator. 9 million naira. God, I swear with my life. Onyebem 10,000 till now. Close this door, please. Onyeberum, he has not given me even 10,000 naira till now. God, if I lie, if you don't wipe away my generation, then you are not God. $9 million. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 million naira into my UBA account today. And from morning till now, the person has only asked for 3,700,000 naira. Also, now kunyere somebody. I transferred. If I bring my statement of account, you confirm this thing I'm telling you. Mark today's date. He has only taken 3,700,000 naira. Only. On the remaining one. Till now, watch them again. Which your dibia will do it. Which your kerosene dibia will stand this chance without betraying the person. You think I am a joker? You think it's an amana geha? Mention that your dibia. Mani aburu ofu, mani aharo. Akunesi obike. If for hane make noise and na photo ariono. Oga, we are builders for village. I buy am with my money. I no price am. I swear to God, Chineke. If I lie, man, I no see tomorrow morning. I no price am. I pay cash. Occupying over 4 plots of land. If you can post to the internet, Iri Ji what for? When I know that no matter how beautiful your house is, it might be someone's security house or gate man's house or even kitchen. So why are you making noise? The person who allowed about 9 million naira to be into my account till now, do you know how wealthy that person may be? Why will I betray this person? I have my own personal need. Then when him me. And when him then I should have betrayed him now. I should have betrayed the person near him Diego where they gonna account him. As I speak to you now, and when I have somebody I met on this Facebook, I never see him real life. The only thing is that I've seen the sister, I've seen the brother. A man like that from US chatted me and asked me to find out a place where he can buy a land between 4 or 5 million naira. I found a land at Rupoku. The ala will carry that price. The ala was about 8 million something. I have my, you can take, and you don't, I will give you my statement of account. I can still give you my BVN. Go and verify all my accounts. No pastor has ever given me money before to speak for him. No dibia has ever given me money before. Governor Zoku has never been an ex-convict before. That's why I'm challenging you tonight. Anybody who approve, I'll give you money. I'll pay you for it. But you look at them, Hanchana, Kofu, Siako, Ndiara, on a normal reality, if I catch many of you now, I go chop you like fish. On normal ground, say make people go back to waiting they know. You they craze. You will be Dibia, you they mad. You don't know say the buff native doctor. Okoko, because he dey your village they talk. You go feel come another man town conquer. You go feel come another man town become national #1 man. Mad people. We know how to make trouble, we cool down. We know how that thing where if he says I do. We know him. They bought me for River State, they bought you for bush. Now River State that day you dey bush. You dey live for bush. And the only thing where people feel use find you for this life come. If he pass those konkon where you keep for your shrine, Chineke Bawagi Shida place. Chineke Bawagi Shida place. Igbo Dibia, the only achievement you have is Dibia. Don't you know that a mechanic or a vulcanizer is better than you? In a query. What they go about doing is they recruit people on the internet. Brothers, let me tell you. Governor who faces a lot of things that you don't know. The worst thing I face daily is if I wake up, strange ladies will call my line. Some of them will chat me. Some of them will start saying they saw you in their dreams, this and that. If I'm supporting Evangelist Bukobi, I'm doing that at my own will. Not be say Bukobi pay me any kobo. Bukobi no fee pay me any money. Now me they tell you, I no be Dibia we go let her go in shrine when hungry hold them. I mean, we go let her go in church. He go out of his sympathy. He go still give them money. Me, I just like Evangelist Bukobi. I know they hide down. The same respect I have for Reverend Fadeji came in Mbaka. I don't love Mbaka because of Mbaka. I've never been to Mbaka's church before. I've never been to. I've been to Emene, but I've been to Enugu. I've been to the territories of Emene, but I didn't enter there. I've never been there before. The reason why I love Mbaka is because of the charity work Mbaka does. Oga, go close and ask people to prove to you how Mbaka carries people along, and this is what touches me. Now, I started following Evangelist Bukobi when I noticed that Evangelist Bukobi has employed native doctors. He has employed lazy people around our city, around our zone, southeast. How do I mean? Evangelist Bukobi is now their topic. That is where they earn money from on Facebook. Any debate that wants to get popular will talk about Evangelist Bukobi. So I took my time to look into him. Watch me. Initially, I don't talk about him. So I started watching close. I saw the Seraphic Hospital. I saw it. I saw what the man did there. And he's not charging anybody any money. But your native doctor has his own. He's building shrine. And you want me to leave this man who is doing charity to the poor to go support your Dibia? Ijikwaru, you well at all? And they look those bloggers who say they blog for native doctor. You dey inside bush, you still there they do JVC. You still be junior Vikings confraternity. You never become national #1 man. You never become national chief strike. You never play game. You never do something. Rossi no matter. You still there inside bush, but I go pursue your native doctor. Pursue me go run enter swamp. I go cut and by myself. You know the fear. Say me they do something normally before you go gather people from that your village. Or God don't mobilize men from rivers. I go boof you. But when we remember the love we have for our people, when we remember tomorrow, when we remember the future of the younger generation, we must do things right. I know they just there I go find trouble. I know they do like that too. I don't get need to the challenge anybody while I see everybody while I see. Inside me, I know say you no get power. I know. Me, I know say you no get power. If you get power, then why all these people they threaten? Why are they still alive? Oga, why are they still alive? You never make a noise. He can make it the Dibia can make it threaten here one day. Gametonye gebu yebu. Everybody aburu the same. There is one story I was supposed to tell you now, but let me just put it this way. Enwere onye isi ndị one heavy occult na Nigeria n'ụwa. Former governor of Rivers State was tiling road. Governor Rotimi Chibikamechi was tiling road and go to this man's house. Some of you who bases around from Transamade down to Rumokoro, you know what I'm saying. The story I'm telling you here. The man no agree make road to pass in Dormont. He threatening governor. See, if governor mess up, saying go show and say I be head of so court. Normal court Ogami. Oga governor divert federal normal road. That's Owerri road. You remember the road once passed Ishiagu. Due to this threat, governor now diverted the road close to Ubima. That was where they created that new road. And the one that led to this thing. The one that led to Ubima. Governor constructed 2 lanes and abandoned the whole village because of one man's threat. Governor, whether a fear him or something. Oga, 1 month and some weeks later, George Donald, investigate this thing I'm telling you. I just saw your comments now. Investigate this matter I'm telling you. Oga, man, leave sea, go carry him. Man, leave sea, carry the man, remove that thing when there is a tie for his head. Shave him beard for that place. In there, bye. No, the man come back alive. So he come back alive. The man come back alive. After some weeks, he die. Oga, AK-47 amaro here about Ishi. If we here, you go cool down. If it's something, you go cool down. So I know they support Ebuko be saying they pay me any money. I know they support anybody say the person they pay me money. I know go fit try and God, they did I do it. If you don't take away my life that day, then you are not God. If I drink what I speak to them, to nature whom I call. If I ever take any money from any native doctor as bribe, or take from any pastor to defend that person, if I survive the next day, then all of you don't exist. Okay, George just commented now. He said na real matters. He's based in River State. He knows what I'm saying. If I phone her name make I don't know is Ibubo Kite, come on back for that place. Okite gigene. Oga no my grand, you go figure and call River State, make us we go beat you. We go beat you away, you go run. Now run, you go run, leave your calabash. Ndara nderi. Me, I ask people who know me from my local government or from my village. Oga, I stubborn die. I don't challenge people who be say they even their head rich. They no fit do me anything. No. Talk about for that. They no do me bim like they no fit do me. Anakoiri, Evangelist Bukobi employed you indirectly. He employed you because you make videos of him and you sell it and they are keeping quiet. Not until Akozion concluded. And some sons of Evangelist Bukobi, they concluded and decided to be dealing with some of you. That was when Onuja Hapote Bukobi aka. But make a video about Bukobi and post it now. The video will start selling. You are making at least $30–40 from this man. Thank you, my brother. Somebody just said he sees I don't listen to my fans, that I should forget about these people. Thank you very much. I will stop here. I respect all these people that has commented that I shouldn't mind them. So I stop at this point. But I put up a challenge to anybody at all who can prove that Governor Zoku was an ex-convict. You have my 1 million naira. Then, if you have any proof that any pastor has paid me money to defend that person ever, I have 1 million naira for you. But whereby you don't provide any of these things within that 1 week or 2 weeks, if I hear when you accuse Governor Zoku wrongly, time one I won't post. Getting one like this, even comment time one closely. Mudia. One. I swear by God Almighty that gives life. Mejido phone you where I say it example. Be you Dibia, be you anything, call jargon na Governor Zoku making. Okay, you go prove them. He got put as a big proof here because Muhammad Hapoge may make a wa. This is the little I know I can say. Okay, this is the little I know I can say. But you see, for this job I am doing, genuinely, willingly, from the depth of my heart, Oga go continue to do that. Let me tell you, some close friends called me. I have a brother in the US. Somebody had just commented now. Chukwudi Austin just commented. Chukwudi knows whom I am mentioning now. A brother and a friend who lives in the US. This guy is a very good guy. He's a US soldier. Okay, did you know that this guy called me one morning and told me, Governor Ezioku, mention anything you want. Let me give you so that you leave internet, leave these people. He made a statement that our people are irredeemable. That thing pained me. Chukwudi Austin, you are here. You know whom I'm mentioning. Are you listening to me? This is what he said. He's a US soldier and a higher ranked one. He made this promise. O mechara gwa m na ọ bụrụ ma ọwa ọnwa ngwo ka ọ na-enye m like $500 ka m were na add up to my life. Ka m kwụsị. I didn't listen to him. I told him, brother, if I leave this space, who will do these things I am doing? That's why I'm still here. So for me to say no to that, a lot of people, I have somebody in the UK whom is ready to give me anything I want for me to leave internet space completely like this. But I've never yielded to that. I kept telling them, patience. Patience. So if it is by money, we wouldn't have been here. How much Facebook they pay, Oga? Do you know before Facebook will pay you 1 million naira? You know how many videos you go create? You know the views you go try get? That will not be small work, Ogami. And at the cost of hustling to make that Facebook money, go and look very, very well. You may turn to Iwiki Ozionyara. Go intelligently go and watch videos, people's video. If you see any video that does not make sense, that person is the main jobless person. You should know. I'm telling you before God and man. It was very recently I realized that sensible videos don't also have much views. Are you listening to what I am telling you now? What's my offense? My offense is that your Dibia defrauded somebody of 3.something million naira and the person was under depression. I now said I will assist. I used my own money. God bear me witness. From the day one, whatever I spent, it was my money, my sweat. You can't do it, but I will do it. Now, very recently that I slowed down, he made certain things. Did you see my inbox complain? As I speak to you now, every one guy named tracking. I paid this guy 200 and something thousand naira. The guy ate the money without doing the job as I speak to you now. My own matter, I go post them for internet. No. I'd still the battle with this guy till now. Till now, when me and you they talk like this. But I no fear arrest and this thing a guy will grow up together. All of us grew up together. What thing I do, I give you a job. You no gree to am. This money, you know, sir, I pay on behalf of another different person. And this matter was registered at the police. Police gave you permission to go ahead. You see, you don't know what I pass through daily. Sometimes I will be sleeping, my phone will be ringing. Oga, try my lines, may you see. People will be calling me complaints, different complaints and all that. As of today, I settled the matter of 400,000 naira. I settled another one of 500,000 naira from China. Silently. I have proofs. God bear me witness. None of them gave me penny. None of them gave me any percentage. God, the matter of 500,000 naira, I just 400,000 naira. Oh, bro, man, now the person 10,000 and get 1,000 and get. God, if you keep me alive, then you are not God. You see the way life is. If you must be a freedom fighter, then bet your life to it. Because in that hand as well may end up taking you away. It is not easy or very easy. A friend of mine just joined this video now, just joined this program now. Even if he comments, I will not mention his name. He just joined now. In fact, ancient prophet just joined now. Ask him, there was a matter. I challenged him online on social media about. So we later had a meeting. We settled the matter between the person, the man who was sick, him, and myself. So after that day, I said I was going to have a meeting with him. Ask him today. This man is my closest friend. Today, he called me many times. I couldn't take calls. This is somebody who knows me too well. I couldn't take his calls today. Or it's not my fault. He knows. So, because of the people's challenges and issues now, I am now losing my friends. I am now losing my brothers, my family members, my relatives. No time to pay attention to them anymore. And if any day now, maybe, for example, any of these native doctors, one of these days I will try this thing at my main page. Go and mark this thing, I'm telling you. I will target one native doctor and wish him a happy birthday on the internet. Go and mark this thing, I'm telling you. I will just do it. Birthday does not mean anything. But I will target one and wish him a happy birthday. Or that people go begin rush me. Governor, you don't take bribe. Oh, they have bought you over. Oh, they have bought you over. Oh, they have bought you over. Who told you? Who told you? In fact, to some extent, one native doctor told me, I think over a month ago, told me, "Now buy a war on the internet, ki with a customer, not that imagine me. Say make a propaganda online, say one they get customers. Hey, so this native doctor no say if we knock you propaganda now, you go begin to get customer. So why will I do that? To lure the people in again. My brothers, you reason them. It's just make a come out online insult them. Saying go pay me, go begin get customers. Saying they ready to pay me. Now, brothers, if him pay me money,